When Suzanne Lidster got her job at L.A. Nelson Elementary School in Denton this school year, she thought helping a handicapped child get to her classes was the perfect position for her.
It's something that God sent me here to do with this child. You know, it's like, okay, this fell in my lap.
But Tuesday morning, Lidster says the principal left her a message on her cell phone.
By getting a voicemail from the school saying, hey, don't come back to school because you still smoke.
Lidster claims she smokes 8 cigarettes a day, but never on campus.
I don't stink.
Maybe you're used to it.
Possibly, I'm used to it. I'm used to the smell of cigarette smoke because I've smoked for 32 years. You know?
Did someone say, warning,
no, ma'am,
you're not smelling good?
No handwritten warning, no verbal warning.
In the voicemail, L.A. Nelson's principal told Lidster that a doctor said the odor of cigarette smoke had affected the handicapped girl's allergies and that Lidster was not a good fit.
Never harm a child. Never knowingly harm a child smoking a cigarette and having the odors on my body. I would never, ever harm a child.
So does Denton ISD have a policy that states an employee can be removed because they smell of cigarette smoke, body odor, or even strong perfume? Well, the spokeswoman for the district, Sharon Cox, told us she can't talk about this case because it is an employee issue.
The district spokeswoman did tell us that Lidster has not been fired, but because she is an at-will employee, she can be terminated for no reason.
Now, the district's human resource officer is looking into the issue. Lidster could be placed in another school. Lidster says she can quit smoking, but will only do it on her terms. Rebecca Aguilar, Fox 4 News.